Hello guys, welcome back to another things, but for today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Marshall Miner 3 not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how to exactly fix your Marshall Miner 3 here if it's not charging? Well, there are a few things that you could try doing. So the first thing that you may want to try doing here is you may want to perform a reset. So performing a reset is pretty easy. So first things first is you want to place both the earbuds back into your case properly. Now you want to go and just close your case as well and then open it again. Now you want to find the rear charging port on the case itself, and you want to press this button for about 15 to 20 seconds and you'll see the blue light start blinking. Now after a few seconds it will turn red, and this means the reset is complete. Now, once the reset is done, you want to leave the earbuds in the case for a little while here and let them fully reset. Then try charging them again and see if that actually solves the issue. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, the best and final thing that you could try doing here is you may want to reach out to Marshall support. So they can give you further troubleshooting here or even give you advice on what to do next. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.